announcing the arrival of my beloved son. Welcome home, Nak. Welcome home.
Char? Oh my gosh, I didn't expect to be home this early.
Ay, sus, in English, pag yun, English, madali na, mga ulat na. Mga ulat na.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, mag-isa lang po ngayon kasi wala si Fabio. The update is Fabio went home to Italy to be with his family. Even though Italy is the most dangerous country right now, but let's face it, come on. Fabio misses his family, his mom and everything. So the update is 2 days ago, he landed safely in Italy. It was a struggle, 24-hour. If you want to see the vlog in our travel channel, head on to our travel channel link down below. But today's video is all about Jollibee. So I don't know how it's gonna go because quarantine, diba? And I'm not sure if Jollibee is open, but we are all craving Jollibee in my family. And it's gonna be the first time I'm gonna see my family after 2 months because, as you know, we've been traveling around the world and I haven't seen my family. And when I came back to Canada, I've been quarantining. I'm self-isolating myself because I don't want to just go home directly, right? So my friend offered me their place to stay and I'm all alone here. But now it's time to go home and see my family. But before we head home, we're gonna hit Jollibee first. Jollibee mukbang! Hello! Hi pa! Musta na, Besh?
Ito.
Quarantine! Hi pa! Hi po! Jollibee ta? Jollibee? Taas ang pila?
Ay! Coming home!
Okay, we're on our way to Jollibee na, guys. Okay guys, nasa Jollibee na kami. So order lang kami ha. Bye! Jollibee na guys. 2 meters? 2 meters. Social distancing po, no? Social distancing po guys. Pero anything for Jollibee. Ayan guys, as you can see. Social distancing po.
60 frames.
Anything for Jollibee guys.
Anong masasabi mo sa quarantine, Joshua?
This is opportunity. It's a great opportunity to help others, to show to love to the society and the people.
Miss Universe. Guys, sabi niya, hindi na daw siya makakapag-smile. So, ganito siya mag-smile sa camera. Beautiful eyes.
Yan guys, we're home. I can't wait to see my mama. It's been a while. So weird to be home. Honestly, I didn't plan. I didn't expect to be home this early this year. I was planning to be home in December because we want to travel the whole year, right? Kumusta si Hana? Hoy mama! Hoy mama!
Hello!
Hoy mama!
Announcing the arrival of my beloved son. Welcome home, Nak. Welcome home.
Char. Tabangi daw kuno ko ma.
Hi! Yes! Hi! Welcome home, Nak! Yan.
Hi guys!
Mukbang!
It's been a while. Hindi niyo
Yeah.
nakita si mama for 2 years. 2 years, 2 months. 3 months. Ayan.
Okay. Mga unta! Kaunta!
Kain na po, kain. Welcome back! Welcome back! Oh my gosh, I didn't expect to be home this early.
Ay, sus! In English! Pag yun, English, madali na, mga ulat na! Mga ulat na, dali.
Kain na po!
Wala na, Loy. Dito na sa bangko sa Loy.
Ay, umano nga.
Pakita po sila.
Bakit niwang kaayo ang ano, ang
Pakita po sila
manok?
doon. Nakahunaw na lagi mo spaghetti.
Ayan guys, eating time! Kumusta na po kayo?
Doon, lato-lat lang papa doon.
Ah, sige.
Oh.
Puntahan tayo, Sarado Jo.
Sarado Jo.
Musta na
Sige,
pa?
dili pa, tapa.
Ikaw mo yung musta na.
Lingaw kay Kaway Gawas-Gawas. Ayan guys, so meron kami dalawang bucket. Bucket ng fried chicken.
And my favorite spaghetti.
Peach mango pie.
Pero may luto si Papa Q na bam-e.
Homemade pancit.
Bam-e.
Homemade pancit.
What?
By the way, may channel, may YouTube channel si Mama. Sige, promote na.
Mama Kwatang's channel.
Oh my God, kain na.
Praise up.
Na,
Wala yung
praise
spicy
ata,
yan.
praise
Spicy ang uban. Nabi ng spicy be.
Okay, mag-praise ata, praise ata.
Chicken. Pasa-pasa.
Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Quata's channel.
Oh my God, I didn't expect talaga na uuwi na ako.
Ese.
Nasa?
Okay lang.
Saan ka,
Kumusta
Loy?
na ko, Doy? Ikaw, Doy, kay?
Mo, ikaw.
Kana sa imong trip? How about your,
Kumusta na?
how's your trip?
Kaon sa tagamay kay imukbang sa di ato na po ikan.
At last, human na rin ang world tour.
Wa pa na human hoy, pause lang, pause.
Amin na, share mo Kuya Gravy.
It's on pause.
Papa dyan ulam.
Spaghetti.
I-mix na ng spaghetti kasi maraming mga tao nagalit kay Fabio nung Jollibee mukbang namin kasi hindi minix ni Fabio yung spaghetti.
Kuha ko na
Tamin ko
container.
yun. Tamin ko yun.
Kuha na lang ako container.
Kuha nila container, Jo.
Pero,
Ayan, kainan na po! Kainan na! Nakuha naman sa
Jollibee!
Oh my God, yung Jollibee sa Vietnam, pastilan, pagkaway lasa.
Ano man?
May lasa?
Pagtagay siya siya.
Wala. It's not Jollibee in Vietnam.
Oh, sino ang gustong balat?
Yung Jollibee siya.
Panit.
Na-refundan mo sa ticket ninyo, yeah.
Jollibee ang ano, branding sa Vietnam, pero walang lasa ng Jollibee.
Oh, spaghetti!
Kain po! Kain!
Ano ka doon? Hala? Hala na itong lagi ka doon. Ito. Bawa lagi ka doon.
Sige guys, kain muna kami guys. Catch up muna kami guys. Hindi namin nakita ng 2 months. Bye guys! Hi guys! Busog na guys!
Yay!
May isang chicken pa po guys, pero ang sarap talaga guys. Jollibee is the life. Na-miss mo ko ma?
Ay, of course!
Miss mo ko,
Welcome.
Ma?
Oh, of course.
Maot
Of course.
Kamusta na po ma?
Okay lang, okay lang. Mukbang!
Ubos na po ang pagkain guys. Pansit. Ito yung spaghetti.
Okay lang. Kompleto ang family. Kompleto na uli. Oh, ingat kayo palagi ha sa virus. Kung pwede mag-mask kayo palagi, tapos proper hand washing, proper hygiene. Yeah.
Ay guys, check nyo yung channel ni Mama. Meron siyang paano gumawa ng mask. No sewing,
No sewing.
or sewing.
Or sewing.
Sa panahon ngayon, kailangan.
Meron din akong ginawa din ako ng homemade cleaning wipes and cleaning sprays. Kaya check out at Mama Quatang's channel.
Guys, ito yung pamilya namin guys. Gabing-gabi, manonood lang sana kami ng isang movie. Pero nagpista! Isang movie nga lang, bakit kayo nagpista?
dapat may snack. So, pancit canton with eggs
Ay, with eggs.
and with gochujang.
Taba ang mama, uy. Maganihara man na mama.
Relax!
Hi guys, good morning. So it is now the day after. Last night we just watched a movie, spent time with the family. We were up until 1 a.m. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my coming home. I am home until we don't know, until whenever this virus is done, it's over. It is so sad. I just want to come on here and talk to you guys. Like, I know Philippines is going through some rough time right now with relief goods and support from the government, and not many people are very fortunate about that because it's quarantine. You cannot go anywhere. But I just wish everybody's okay. I wish everybody will get through this. We will all get through this. It's scary. Even us, we don't know what's gonna happen with this travel. I hope it's gonna be over in 2 months or 3 months, but many experts are predicting that it's gonna be lasting until July, August. So that's the whole summer. If you think about it, you cannot really go back to normal unless people or doctors or experts or researcher can find a cure, or not even a cure because it's a virus, right? Or like a vaccine to prevent from being so ill from this virus. Yeah, that's just what I think about it. When we were traveling, we were thinking, oh, maybe we could just still push it. We could still go travel, but there's really no fun to it anymore because bakit naman kami hey guys sa public tapos travel and everything is closed, everything is on hold, all the lockdowns, airports are closing. So it took away the fun of travel. And we also had to go home to protect ourselves and other people and prevent from spreading the virus. It's time to take a break. It's not safe out here anymore. So if you guys didn't see the previous vlog, we made an update of what happened. And also in our travel channel, I just uploaded a video right now about Fabio going home to Italy. So Fabio vlogged the whole process, and we all know that Italy is one of the scariest places right now on earth. It's so sad that we didn't get to come to Philippines. It was so sad, you guys, because after Bali, we were gonna go straight to Philippines. Philippines was our next country. It was so close. It was like this, but then it was like the time of all the lockdowns happening, and that was the time as well that Philippines closed its border. And even if we go to the Philippines, we would have to stay quarantined for 14 days. So there's really no fun to it anymore, and it's just scary. And Fabio and I, we were looking forward to seeing all of you in the Philippines. Not all, but maybe some. We're excited to see our viewers. We're excited to meet you guys and see who really watch us. But that's the update. I guess this is it for now. We're just gonna chill here and comment below what kind of vlogs you want to see with my family, with my mom. We're gonna be making a lot of videos for sure. But for now, that's it. Stay safe, everyone, and I hope everybody is okay, and take care.